Hello viewers, this is Ajit Khan. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about testing our Rails application using Rspec. In this video, we are going to focus on how to test our routes. So let's get started. When we generate our spec, then we have a folder named routing inside our spec folder. In this, if we are going to use scaffold, then it will automatically create a file. Suppose we are creating a scaffold for article resource, then it will automatically create articles underscore routing underscore spec.rb file for us, and by default it will be having all routing codes, all the codes related to spec for testing routes. So basically for article resource we are gonna write the test cases for all the routings. So in the articles underscore routing underscore spec file, we have require Rails helper line. Then we are gonna test for all the routings. So we have written describe routing do. Now for the first case, we are going to test about routes for index. So we have named it like routes to #index. Now we have our expectation, that is expect. We are gonna, if we write /articles in the URL, then it should route to articles #index. So let's run this. We are gonna run this by rspec command inside spec, then routing, and then articles underscore routing underscore spec.rb. This is gonna run only all the test cases listed inside this file. So let's go ahead. Whoa, we have our first test case running successfully. Okay, articles controller routing routes to index, it is green, that means it is a success, and we have one example inside this and we have 0 failures. So let's go ahead and write some more. Now we are gonna write for writes to new. /new, this should route to articles #new. Okay, now we are done for this. Now let's go ahead and run again. Yeah, we have a second example which is also passing. So this is about testing the routes for different URLs, like for index, for new. Accordingly, we can have it for show, edit, and so on. So let's see how all those looks like. So I have another controller named post. So and it has been created by this scaffold command, so it is being automatically created. So we have post underscore routing underscore spec file, in which we have all our routing test cases. So this is for index, as we have seen, and we have seen for new. So for show we will need an ID. So if we write /post/1, that is the ID of first post, this should route to post #show, and we are passing the ID 1. And for edit, similarly it would be like if we enter post/id/edit, it should route to post #edit. Similarly for create, and similarly for update and destroy as well. So this is all about routings, testing the routings using Rspec. For any query, feel free to put your comments. Thanks for watching.